welcome to yet another video, and as you can see my table is filled with all these grooming products, which is why I'm doing this PR package unboxing for you to see what's in these boxes. It's really interesting, some cool stuff. I've not opened all of it, but I'm very excited to share it with you. So today's video is going to be all about the grooming essentials for the month. Let's dig right in. But guys, before I go on with this video, I want to request all of you to hit the subscribe button because I'm always posting some amazing grooming content out there, lifestyle, daily vlogs from my life here in Mumbai. Right in. Starting with this big bag from this brand called L'Occitane. We've done a whole pronunciation challenge video with the guys at L'Occitane. So they sent me this big yellow box. Okay, I've put other products in this bag, guys, so that I could have it all right here. Let's start with this L'Occitane box. What have they given me? They have given me the Immortelle Reset, the oil and serum reset. This is what it looks like. Okay, so this is basically like a serum that you use on your skin to kind of rejuvenate it and give it this nice glow. I like this little bottle, it's really nice. And of course they've given me a youth oil. Okay, so I've not used this product before. This one I've heard some great reviews. A youth oil, that would be really interesting to check out how it will work. I think you might want to, I'm going to read up on this, but I think it's like a night use product and it's like on the heavier side in terms of texture. Face oil. I'm going to put this aside and see what else. Guys, other stuff in this bag is not from L'Occitane. I just put it in. There's a new homegrown brand called Shankara which sent me this lip oil. I don't know what a lip oil is, but it seems really interesting. For healthy, hydrated and youthful lips. Apply daily to lips and use liberally. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Wow, this looks really... Okay, so I don't think it has a... It smells really amazing, by the way. I'm gonna check out what other products I've got. Okay, the Man Company just turned 6. So for their 6th anniversary, they've sent me a box which says, caution, this package is filled with highly effective products. Okay, so you open it. I've used the Man Company products before and they're really good. So I've got a set of 3. So there is a face wash. I've used their face wash before. Very good quality stuff. Face scrub. Okay, not tried this one before. Lemongrass and eucalyptus. I'm sure it smells really nice, but it's sealed, so I can't show you. And a peel off mask. Anybody has any reviews of these Man Company peel off masks, let me know. They've got some amazing sunscreens. I've used their sunscreen in the exact same tube size and it's really good quality and the texture is amazing. So Man Company. Let's see what else do we have. The guys at Juicy Chemistry. You know guys, I love my hair oils. The guys at Juicy Chemistry have sent me a hibiscus, amla and bringaraj hair oil, organic hair oil for premature graying and damaged hair. I don't really know whether I want to do anything about my premature graying because I really love my gray hair. But I know that a product like this can really nourish the hair. Oh wow, it's a beautiful bottle. Hibiscus, amla and bringaraj. Let's see how it's... Okay, it's really strong smelling, but I'm very excited to be using this product. So I've used Juicy Chemistry's products before and they are really good. Take a few drops of oil in your palm and gently massage onto your hair and wash it off with a mild shampoo. So the guys at Dermalogica have sent me these products. I'm going to show them to you, starting with this one, which is the Daily Microfoliant. It costs 975. I've used this all the time, so I can safely say that it's an amazing product. It comes in this small little dabba. It's a powder format. Put it on your hand, wet your palms a little, wet your skin a little and give it a nice scrub. And of course the effect is really visible immediately after. I've got a special cleansing gel which is in a nice travel friendly format. I really like the size, 50 ml. It's slightly on the expensive side, it's about 950 bucks, but of course the quality Dermalogica products, amazing. I've got a multi-active toner which I'm really excited to learn how to use, but I don't know about it yet. And this one I'm really excited about. You know guys how much I love my sunscreen. So Dermalogica has got this Protection 50 Sport sunscreen. It is 80 minutes water resistant, so it's great when I'm on the beach, like jumping in and out of the water, or at the pool in Sri Lanka, in the Maldives, in Goa, anywhere. So when I lead a very active beach lifestyle, for someone like me, I'm going to definitely try this one out. I've got these guys at Just Herbs. I love their products. I've got these lip mask, lip scrub. I don't know why they've sent me so many, but I've got so many. Lip scrub and lip mask with Gotu Kola and licorice. Okay, now I want to show you the biggest one of all. The guys at Nykaa always send these massive boxes. It's a nice big wooden box. I'm going to open it up. This is what it's got. Tons of products, guys. How many shampoos and masks and conditioners do I need? But I'm going to see, there are 3 shampoos right here. There's a charcoal and bamboo shampoo from their naturals range. There's an onion and methi fenugreek shampoo. And there's an apple cider vinegar shampoo. I need to smell. Why would anyone have an onion and methi shampoo? Oh my god, it smells so good. It doesn't smell of onion, it doesn't smell of methi, but it smells really, really amazing. Apple cider vinegar. It smells really comforting, like this old fashioned, really nice shampoos, and this smells so good, so fresh. Now I have got these 4 hair masks. Okay, they sent me 4 hair masks. One is got charcoal and bamboo, one is apple cider vinegar, one is onion and fenugreek, and one is amla and curry patta. Imagine having a hair mask which is amla and curry patta on your hair. It smells amazing, guys, amazing. It does not smell of amla, it does not smell of curry patta. I am so addicted to these. It smells so good. How do you use them? Instructions are there. Rinse your hair, towel dry your hair, apply a palm full of hair mask from root to tip, and let the hair mask sit for 10 to 15 minutes, and then you are good to go. So I think I'm going to try using these products and let you know what I think. In the meanwhile, I'm going to go on to the last PR box that I've got, which is a very exciting one. It's come in this nice sustainable brown box with no branding, and I love that. It's from this brand called Native Apothecary, and the owner Vandana has written a note. Okay, so sustainable packaging at Native Apothecary, which is a homegrown brand. All the products are made by hand in small batches using locally available ingredients that are ethically sourced. Each product delivers on consistent and high quality. Starting with this candle, so cute. It's lavender and bergamot. Anyone who gives me a scented candle, you know how much I love my scented candles. I go crazy. Okay, I love the packaging and the logo. Look at it, it's really nice. Native Apothecary, very nice. There is a soap, a handmade soap, Grandma's House, so cute, for dry skin. This is what the soap looks like. This is what the soap looks like. Smells like one of those old-fashioned soaps. I'm going to put it in the box because I'm going to put this straight into my bathroom. And of course, a Rosy Romance Rose and Bergamot foot soap. It smells so good. Anyway guys, I hope that you've enjoyed this little grooming essentials unboxing. It's so much fun and I love to do it every now and then. Tell me which product you really like. If there's any ones that you use already and want to share some recommendations with me, I'd love to hear from you. In the meanwhile, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'm waiting to hear from you, and of course till my next video. See you soon.